Nothing has finally put rumors about the next smartphone to rest. The London-based brand has officially confirmed the release of the Phone 2A. That's not all. Nothing sub-brand CMF has also confirmed the arrival of two new audio devices. Nothing confirmed the Phone 2A in X post. The brand says the upcoming offering is coming soon without any explicit revealing its launch date. Nothing has already confirmed its presence at the MWC that will happen on February 26. So the phone is widely expected to be launched around that time. The Nothing Phone 2A will have a circular island housing, two horizontally placed camera. The module will be surrounded by glyph strips. It is expected to be powered by the Dimensity 7200 SoC, support 45-watt charging and feature an AMOLED display. Alongside this, sub-brand CMF also confirmed on its Instagram and X handle it will be launching two new audio devices, most specifically the Neckband Pro and Buds. Like the Phone 2A, the upcoming CMF device are teased to be coming soon. The Neckband is an entirely new category. The Buds Pro debuted last year, so the upcoming CMF Buds could be a cheaper model. Both devices have bagged TDRA and BIA certification, which confirm their launch in UAE and India. Additionally, nothing is announced the Glyph developer kit that gives third-party Android apps the ability to control the Glyph interface.